Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock Battle Pass items in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console or on your PC and access this homepage. And then from here, go to the season section and now you should find the current Battle Pass, running in the game. Now, there are a couple of things you can do. Now, if you want to purchase specific items, you need to have the luxury battle pass. So if you have enough money to purchase the luxury battle pass, you can just select it and then spend the enough tokens that you're needed to in order to purchase that particular luxury battle pass. Now, if you don't have enough to purchase a luxury battle pass, you can simply purchase items that are easily acquirable. So for instance, you can purchase this emote, you can purchase this name title, and you can purchase this spray. So if you want to purchase, let's say for instance, this emote, all you have to do is select it, and then you'll see the amount of chrono tokens needed to purchase that particular item. So if you have enough, simply select it, and now you'll acquire that particular item. But if you don't have enough chrono tokens, you have two options. Like you can either choose to run missions, whereby this is the best way to get chrono tokens by running daily missions or challenges and even events. You can get enough chrono tokens, and once you have enough, you can purchase that particular emote or any other item. You can also choose to exchange your lattice exchange. So if you have enough lattice, you can choose to convert them to chrono tokens that are needed so that you can be able to purchase that item. But if you don't have enough lattice, all you have to do is just purchase with your real money, and you can see the prices of each particular pack. Now you can also do all the other items in the battle pass. So for instance, if you scroll through, you can find other items. For instance, this particular nameplate. You can also see this particular spray, another spray. You can simply go down and find other items. So for instance, this costume, you can simply get it. If you want it, you select get more. If you have enough, for instance, it goes for 2,400 chrono tokens. If you have enough, just simply select that and you'll have it. But if you don't have enough, you can simply just run missions and exchange your lattice for chrono tokens. And that's basically it on how to unlock battle pass items in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.